Hi5 trainer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make healthy Oat Bran Dosa. So let's go into the video. The ingredients that you need are 4 tablespoons of oat bran, 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, a little bit of turmeric, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder, a mixer jar, and some oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use any oil that's available to you. So firstly, in a mixer jar, add the oat bran, gram flour, rice flour, turmeric, salt, and red chili powder. You can adjust the salt and red chili powder to your taste. Now blend it into a fine powder. Now take this into a container and add some water and mix it. So you can add more water while mixing it. The consistency should be like this. Now heat a pan. After the pan is hot, spray some oil. Pour the batter on the pan and spread it to make a circle shape. Now spray some oil on this side, and after the bottom side is cooked, turn it over and take it into a plate. Healthy Oat Bran Dosa is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified whenever I upload another video.